top 5 video trends for businesses in 2025 and how to use them. Video has become the undisputed king of content, and in 2025, it's more essential than ever for businesses looking to stand out, connect with customers, and drive measurable growth. But as technology evolves and consumer behavior shifts, so do the rules of video marketing. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, you need to understand what's trending and how to put those trends to work for your brand. This is John Eberhard, President of Real Web Marketing. Here are the top 5 video trends for businesses in 2025, along with tips on how to use each one effectively. 1. Short-form video is still dominating, but it's getting smarter. From TikTok to Instagram Reels to YouTube Shorts, short-form video continues to dominate attention spans, and for good reason. It's fast, engaging, and mobile-friendly. But in 2025, it's not just about being short, it's about being strategic. How to use it. Educate quickly. Use 15 to 60-second videos to answer FAQs, showcase quick tips, or highlight product benefits. Use strong hooks. Grab attention in the first 3 seconds. Don't bury the lead. Include clear calls to action. Whether it's visit our site, book a demo, or get a free consultation, always tell viewers what to do next. Short-form video works exceptionally well for brand awareness and engagement. Make it a regular part of your video strategy. 2. AI-generated and avatar videos are going mainstream. AI tools can now generate realistic avatars, voiceovers, and even entire video scripts in minutes. In 2025, more businesses are embracing AI video tools to scale content creation while saving time and money. How to use it. Create explainer videos using AI avatars for training, onboarding, or customer service. Repurpose blog posts or articles into AI-narrated video summaries. Use AI-generated spokespeople for consistent branding across multiple videos. While these tools are powerful, be mindful not to rely on them for everything. AI video is best used to supplement, not replace, real human connection. 3. Live video builds trust and real-time engagement. Despite the rise of AI, consumers still crave authenticity, and live video continues to deliver. Whether it's a product demo, Q&A, event stream, or behind-the-scenes look, live video helps brands appear more accessible and trustworthy. How to use it. Host live Q&A sessions to answer customer questions in real time. Stream product launches or events to increase excitement and reach. Go live regularly on platforms like LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram to build a loyal audience. Live video doesn't have to be perfect. In fact, small imperfections often make your brand feel more human and relatable. 4. Personalized video messaging is boosting conversions. In 2025, generic marketing is being replaced with personalized experiences, and video is no exception. Tools now make it easy to create customized video messages for individual leads, customers, or clients. How to use it. Send personalized thank you videos after meetings, purchases, or inquiries. Use video in sales outreach, addressing the prospect by name and speaking to their specific needs. These types of videos don't need to be highly produced. A simple, authentic message recorded with your phone can go a long way in building relationships and closing deals. 5. Search-optimized video content is driving organic traffic. Video SEO is no longer optional. It's a competitive advantage that you need to grab. Google now shows video content more prominently in search results, and platforms like YouTube are effectively their own search engines. Smart businesses are creating videos that answer real questions and solve problems their audience is searching for. How to use it. Create tutorial or how-to videos optimized for relevant keywords. Include transcripts and keyword-rich descriptions. Repurpose your videos into blog posts to multiply the SEO value. If you're not optimizing your video content for discoverability, you're leaving traffic and revenue on the table. Final thoughts. Stay agile, stay relevant. The video landscape is changing fast. What worked 2 years ago might be outdated today, but the businesses that win in 2025 will be the ones who stay agile, adapting their video strategies to new tools, formats, and customer expectations. To recap, here's how you can take advantage of this year's top video trends. Short-form video. Post frequently and focus on value plus personality. AI-generated content. Use it to scale, but don't forget human connection. Live video. Be real, be present, and build community in real time. Personalized video. Increase engagement with tailored one-to-one messages. Video SEO. Make your content discoverable and watch your organic reach grow. Whether you're a small business just getting started or an enterprise scaling video campaigns, now is the time to invest in strategic video content. And if you're not sure where to start, partnering with an experienced video production company like Real Web Marketing can help you turn these trends into results. Need help creating powerful videos for your brand in 2025? Let's talk about how we can bring your message to life on every screen that matters. Contact Real Web Marketing at 661-441-2429 or go to realwebmarketing.net. If you like this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.